Hi, I'm Jonah, a rising junior at the Trinity School, and for my first milestone, I fully completed the electronics that I'm going to put inside of my RC hoverboard. So, when everything is turned on, the LiPo battery, which is a lithium polymer battery, each cell in a lithium polymer battery has 3.7 volts on average, 3.2 at a minimum, and 4.2 at a maximum. That just depends on how much it's charged. So this is a 3-cell LiPo, so it's got an average of 11.1 volts. It can go as low as 9.6 or as high as 12.6. This sends the current all throughout the circuit. It first sends it to the ESCs, which are the electronic speed controllers. They each control the speed on one of the brushless motors, which are the more powerful ones. And then the less powerful motor, my servo motor, connects directly to the receiver. The receiver is connected wirelessly to the transmitter. And so when everything is turned on, I can send signals from the transmitter into the receiver and control all 3 motors. So the servo motor is controlled by moving the right joystick sideways, and it turns. This motor, which will inflate the skirt that the hoverboard will use to float, is controlled by going down on the left joystick. And the reason I put it there is because I can keep it down, I don't have to hold it, and so I can always keep the skirt inflated at a rate that I like. And then the other motor, which is going to propel it forward, is controlled, and I can control the speed on this more than I can the other one, by going down on the right joystick. And I can make it spin as fast as I want. And so once I connect these all into the hoverboard, it should go. And I had a few obstacles in making this. So originally I had only the propeller motor connected directly to the battery, and the motor that's going to make everything float was connected through the receiver, and so it wasn't getting enough current. And so what I had to do was unclip some of the wires that connected to the propeller motor, and then solder wires that connected to the other motor in, and then apply new heat shrinks and electrical tapes so that everything worked out. And my next step is going to be essentially just to put everything into the hoverboard, make sure it keeps working, and then the hoverboard should look good.